In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change terminal command execution in Google Antigravity. So first, of course, open up the Antigravity application on your computer. Then next at the top, click on the gear icon or the settings icon. Then select Open Antigravity User Settings. And inside the window, make sure that you are in the Agent tab. And here, navigate to the Terminal section. So inside it, you'll see an option called Terminal Command Auto Execution. So here you have two options. First is always proceed. So as you can see, with this option, agent never asks for confirmation before executing terminal commands. And the other option is request review. So here, agent always asks for confirmation before executing terminal commands. So just select the option by clicking on this drop-down menu according to your preference. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.